Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we talk about the District of Columbia monthly sales tax return. Today, we're going to talk about another state, which is Virginia, and we will walk through the process of how we can file the monthly sales tax return for Virginia state. Before we move to the topic, before we move to the portal, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tax information. So this is my report. The pattern is pretty similar. This is the dummy data. I have the sales amount here, tax amount, then I have the tax rate, and then I have the taxable sales, non-taxable sales. So this is my total sales amount, and this is totally taxable amount. There is no non-taxable amount. So this is my report, and now here on the portal you can see once you log in, you will just click file, pay, use tax. Here you can select the period which you want to file the return. So I will click here May. Now here you will have to now here you will click all those counties, all those cities where the sales has happened, whether is it's taxable or it's non-taxable. So right now on my report I have only one cities, but if you have a multiple cities, if you have the multiple counties on your report, on your invoices, so you have to select all those counties and all those cities here on the list. So here, since I have only one, so I will click this one. This is my city, Bristol is my city, so I'll click here, and then I'll just click next here. Now here you can see I have the general sales, I have the total exempt sales, and then I have the general personal use. So my total sales are one, I will add 19747.76, and I don't have any non-exempt or any non-taxable sales here, so I'm not gonna hit any amount here. So if you have any sales which are non-taxable, you can just add those amount in this column. So I will just click calculate here. Now it will ask you to select the appropriate range here. So my sales are between 0 and 62,500. So I will say click calculate tax. So here you can see my total tax here is 1046.63, 1046.63. This is my total tax here. So as I already mentioned in my previous videos, it always reconcile your tax with your report. So I'm getting a discount here 9.48, and then I just click preview return for filing. Now here I can say yes, file and pay, or just say no, file return only. So once you click yes, file and pay, the system will ask you to input your payment information, your bank account or your credit or debit card information. And once you add that, your return will be once you add that, your payment will be made and the return will be submitted. So this is how you can file the Virginia monthly sales tax return. One thing for this particular state, it's very important that you need to select the cities and counties on the very first step. If you miss that step, if you wrongly select any cities and counties, then in the end the text that the portal or the system will calculate, if and if this does not matches with your report, then you have to go back to your first step. So make sure that you have the right cities and right counties on your report, and then right tax rate for that particular cities and counties. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments related to this, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.